A life hack into building materials. Try to do it evenly. Oh, my dad showed me small stuff like this. Life hack. See here, it's my box. It's the sides I'm working on. I'm assembling. Easiest hack you can ever do is this right here. See, this is the top part. It's a brace. That's a bottom brace. You have a tape measure. Okay. Use that with your braces. You lock them in. You start assembling. Life hack to all the wood building you can imagine. I recommend doing this. Besides, look at the workbench. It's wood. Want to see how it's assembled? Screws. So, of course, over time, it's going to have cuts, it's going to have holes, it's going to wear down, it's going to break. It's screwed on. If it's broken that bad, replace it. Life hack. Or the woodworking hack. Look at all this bench. Okay, it's my main bench. Yeah, it looks dirty as heck. All this, it's all attached with screws. So, if you need, so screws on the tops of things. Okay. Life hack on this. If you want to build something, brace up here, a brace on the bottom. Okay, brace bottom, brace top, all this stuff, it's sized up. It's up in there. You can slide it back and forth. Beautiful. Okay, Dan the Hobby Man. See you guys later.